Welcome to this comprehensive guide on Betterment management fee, where we will walk you through the process of understanding and managing your investment fees. First, it is essential to understand what Betterment is. Betterment is a popular online investment platform that offers low-cost, automated investment management services. The platform provides users with a range of investment options, including stocks, bonds, and exchange-traded funds. To get started, you need to understand the management fee structure. Betterment charges a management fee as a percentage of your invested assets. The fee ranges from 0.25% to 0.40% per year, depending on the investment plan you choose. Here is a step-by-step guide to understanding and managing your Betterment management fee. Step 1 is to choose your investment plan. Betterment offers two main plans. The digital plan, which charges 0.25% per year, and the premium plan, which charges 0.40% per year. Step 2 is to calculate your management fee. To do this, you need to know the total value of your invested assets and the management fee percentage. For example, if you have $10,000 invested in the digital plan, your management fee would be $25 per year. Step 3 is to consider the impact of the management fee on your investment returns. The management fee can eat into your investment returns, so it is crucial to factor it in when evaluating the performance of your investments. Step 4 is to optimize your investment portfolio to minimize the management fee. You can do this by choosing the lowest cost investment options and avoiding unnecessary portfolio changes. Best practices for managing your Betterment management fee include regularly reviewing your investment portfolio, avoiding frequent buying and selling, and taking advantage of tax loss harvesting. In conclusion, understanding and managing your Betterment management fee is crucial to maximizing your investment returns. By following these steps and best practices, you can minimize your management fee and achieve your investment goals. Remember to always evaluate the fees associated with any investment platform and choose the one that best aligns with your investment objectives and risk tolerance.